Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of XML. Specifically, we're going to learn how to extract specific values from XML files using a powerful command line tool called xmlstarlet. This is super handy for anyone working in a Unix-like environment, especially when you need to automate tasks or parse configuration files. Xmlstarlet is a versatile utility. It lets you validate, format, transform, and, most importantly for us, query XML data right from your terminal. It's often available by default or easily installable on most Linux and Mac OS systems. Let's get started by imagining we have an XML file. We'll call it library.xml. This file contains information about books. Inside, there's a main library element. Underneath that, we have several book elements. Each book element has an ID attribute, like ID equals BK101. Inside each book, there are elements such as title, author, and year. The title element even has an attribute itself, like lang equals n. This structure is very common in XML. Our goal is to pull out specific pieces of information from this library.xml file. We'll use the xmlstarlet cell command. Cell stands for select. We always pair it with T for template mode and V to print the value of the selected node. The core of our selection will be an XPath expression. XPath is like a map for your XML document. It tells xmlstarlet exactly where to go to find the data you want. First, let's say we want to extract the author of the first book in our library.xml file. The XPath for this would be /library/book1/author. Here, /library refers to the root element. /book1 means the first book element directly under library. Finally, /author gets the author element under that first book. So, the full command would be xmlstarlet cell tv /library/book1/author library.xml. This command will simply output the author's name, for example, Jane Doe. Next, what if we want the title of that same first book? It's a nested element, but the process is almost identical. We just change our XPath. The XPath becomes /library/book1/title. Our command would then be xmlstarlet cell tv /library/book1/title library.xml. This would give us the great adventure. You see how simple it is to navigate through the XML tree using XPath expressions. Now, let's try something slightly different. What if we want to get the value of an attribute? Remember our title element had a lang attribute, like lang equals n? To select an attribute in XPath, we use that symbol. So, to get the language of the first book's title, our XPath would be /library/book1/title/@lang. The command becomes xmlstarlet cell tv /library/book1/title/@lang library.xml. This command will output n, which is the language code. As you can see, the pattern is consistent. xmlstarlet cell tv _path_expression _xml_file. Understanding XPath is key here, and it's a very powerful language for navigating XML documents. With xmlstarlet, you can quickly and efficiently pull out any piece of information you need from your XML files directly from the command line, making it an invaluable tool for scripting and automation in Unix environments. That wraps up our quick guide on extracting values from XML using xmlstarlet. You now have the basic tools to start querying your own XML data. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials like this one. We appreciate your support. See you in the next video.